Question number 8. If A is equal to 1, 2, 0, 1, B is equal to 1, 1, 2, 0, then verify that the first part is A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Here we are to verify that this left hand side A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose B transpose. Now first of all we write left hand side. Left hand side is A plus B whole transpose. Instead of A we write matrix A. Matrix A is 1, 2, 0, 1 plus instead of B we write matrix B. What is matrix B? 1, 1, 2, 0 and taking transpose on whole. Now first of all add these two matrices. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 0 plus 2, 1 plus 0 and transpose on it. Next sheet. It becomes previous question. It becomes 2, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 2, 1. Whole transpose. After taking transpose we get 2, 3, 2, 1. In transpose we convert rows into columns and columns into rows. It's equation number 1. Now we take right hand side. Right hand side is A transpose plus B transpose. Here the matrix A is 1, 2, 0, 1 taking transpose on it, and matrix B is 1, 1, 2, 0 and transpose on it. First of all, taking transpose of a matrix A, we get 1, 2, 0, 1 and taking transpose of a matrix B, 1, 1, 2, 0. Now adding these two matrices, we get 2, 2, 3, 1. 2, 2, 3, 1. It's matrix equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we see that both the answers are same. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we see that left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Now similarly solve question number 8 part number 2. Similarly we solve question number 8 part number 2. Now we come across the another definitions. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. A matrix A is said to be symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to A. Any matrix is said to be symmetric matrix if the transpose of the matrix is equal to the same matrix. A matrix A is said to be symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to A. Second definition is skew symmetric matrix. A matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix if transpose of matrix A is equal to negative of that matrix. A matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix if transpose of a matrix A is equal to negative of a matrix. Now we come across the question number 8, part number 3. Question number 8, part number 3. The part number 3 is we are to show that A plus A transpose is symmetric. Here we are to show that A plus A transpose is symmetric. Solution. First of all, we find A plus A transpose. First of all, we find A plus A transpose. What is A? A is 1, 2, 0, 1 plus A transpose 1, 2, 0, 1 transpose. First of all, solve this matrix and simplify it. 1, 2, 0, 1 plus in transpose, what we do? We convert rows into column and columns into rows. What is the first row? First row is 1, 2, it convert into column form. And the second row also convert into column form. Now we add these two matrix. How to add we matrix? We add the first element with the first element, second element with the second element, similarly third with the third and fourth with the fourth. We get 2, 2, 2 and again 2. Here A plus A transpose becomes 2, 2, 2 and 2. Now here we show that A plus A transpose is symmetric. But by the definition of symmetric matrix is symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to A, which means that a transpose of a matrix is equal to matrix itself. Now we are taking transpose on both sides. Taking transpose on both sides, we get A plus A transpose whole transpose is equal to 2, 2, 2, 2 transpose. After taking transpose on the right hand side, we get 2, 2, 2, 2, which is again equal to A plus A transpose, which shows that A plus A transpose is symmetric. A plus A transpose is symmetric. Clear to everyone? Now we come across question number 8, part number 4, about a skew symmetric matrix. Question number 8, part number 4. We are to show that A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. First of all, by the definition of skew symmetric, the matrix, if we take the transpose of the matrix, we get the negative of that matrix. We get negative of that matrix. First of all, we find A minus A transpose. What is A? A is 1, 2, 0, 1, negative 1, 2, 0, 1, whole transpose. Taking transpose of the matrix A, it becomes 1, 2, 0, 1. Now subtracting these two matrices, we get 1 minus 1, 2 minus 0, 0 minus 2, 1 minus 1. It becomes 0, 2, negative 2, 0. That is A minus A transpose becomes 0. A minus A transpose becomes 0, 2, negative 2 and 0. Now taking transpose on both sides. Taking transpose on both sides. We get A minus A transpose whole transpose is equal to 0, 2, negative 2, 0 transpose. After taking transpose on the right hand side, we get 0, 2, negative 2, 0. Now we see that 0, negative 2, 2 and 0 is not equal to A minus A transpose. That's why we're taking negative sign common from the matrix B. Here we're taking negative sign common. It becomes 0. Negative 2 becomes positive 2. Positive 2 becomes negative 2. And 0 is again 0. Here we see that 0, 2, negative 2, 0 is equal to A minus A transpose, which shows that A minus A whole transpose is skew symmetric, which shows that A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Similarly, you solve the part number 5 and the part number 6. If anyone have any question, raise your hand. Anyone have any question? Raise your hand.
Yes, Tokir Ahmed.
Tokir Ahmed.
Tokir Ahmed, what's your question?
Sir,
Tokir Ahmed.
question number 8, part 3. Yes, sir.
Question number 1, part
Sir, can you explain question number 8, part 3?
8, part 3.
Question number 1.
8.
Question number 8, part number 3. Question number 8, part number 3. Revise all the terms, that is symmetric matrix. Any matrix is said to be symmetric matrix if a transpose of a matrix becomes itself. Any matrix is said to be symmetric matrix if transpose of a matrix becomes a matrix. For example, here we write the example. A matrix A which is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3. A matrix A is 1, 2, 2, 3. If we take a transpose of a matrix A, that is A transpose, which becomes 1, 2, 2, 3. Here we convert this row into this column and this row into this column. After converting the rows into column, we see that these matrices are not changed. That is, A transpose again becomes A. Such type of matrix is called a symmetric matrix. Such type of matrix is called a symmetric matrix. Any matrix in which we taking a transpose of a matrix and again the matrix is called a transpose symmetric matrix. Similarly, in a skew symmetric matrix. In a skew symmetric matrix, if we taking the transpose of a matrix, it becomes negative of that matrix. Is called skew symmetric matrix. In question number 8, part number 3, 4, 5 and 6, we only show that these matrices are a symmetric or a skew symmetric matrix. Okay? Now, we come across the next exercise, how we multiply the two matrices. In the previous lecture, we study about how we add the two matrices and we study about the transpose of a matrices. Now here we study about how two matrices are multiplied with each other. How two matrices are multiplied with each other. It's a multiplication of a matrix, or simply we called it a product of a matrix. Product of two matrices. Let us suppose we say that the two matrices are A and B. When the product is possible, conformable for two matrices are conformable for product, we take two matrices. Let's suppose a matrix A and a matrix B. Let A and B be the two matrices. Then A into B is possible if column of matrix A is same to rows of matrix B. Two matrices are conformable for multiplication or product if column of the first matrix is equal to rows of the second matrix. That is, suppose matrix A is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here the order of matrix A is 2 cross 2. Here the order of matrix A is 2 cross 2, where columns are 2, where there are two columns in a matrix A. And we suppose the another matrix B, which is equal to 0, 1. In a matrix B, there are two rows. In a matrix B, there are two rows and one column. In a matrix B, there are only two rows. By the definition of the product of the matrix, matrix A and matrix B are conformable for multiplication, means A dot B, if columns of first matrix A is equal to rows of second matrix B. Here we see that in matrix A there are two columns and in matrix B there are two rows. Therefore, these two matrices are conformable for product or multiplication. How these matrices are multiplied with each other? See, the matrix A, matrix B, instead of matrix A, we write the values of the matrix A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. And instead of matrix B, we write the value of matrix B, which is 0, 1. Now, we multiply these two matrices in a way that first row is multiplied with the first column. That is, this first row is multiplied this column. How we multiply this row with the column? We multiply this first element 1 with 0. There is addition sign in between them. And the second element 2 with 1. Here we multiply this 1 with this 0 and this 2 with this 1, means rows are multiplied with the columns. Similarly we multiply 3 with 0 and then 4 with 1. Now simplify it. After simplification we get 0 plus 2 and 0 plus 4, which means it becomes 2, 4, which is the product of the matrix A and the matrix B. Clear to everyone? Again, clear to everyone? If someone have any question, raise your hand. If someone have any question, raise your hand.
Muhammad Fahad.
Muhammad Fahad.
Salman Ahmad. What's the problem?
Is there any problem? I didn't listen your voice.
सर ये सब कुछ आता है, बहुत आसान है, ये मैंने पहले का किया हुआ है.
We start exercise on page number.
Do you have fear, then why are you raising your hand again and again? Muhammad Fahad Najib. Yes, Muhammad Fahad Najib. What's your problem? Muhammad Fahad Najib. Why are you raising your hand again and again?
Okay, page number 20. Open the page number 20. Exercise 1.4. Open page number 20. Exercise 1.4. Page number 20. Exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4. Page number 20. The first question is, question number 1 is, which of the following product of matrices is conformable for multiplication? Which of the following product are conformable for multiplication? The first part is 1, -1, 0, 2, -2 and 3. Here we didn't multiply these matrices. Here we only tell that which of the product are conformable for multiplication. For this, we check the order of the matrices. The order of the first matrix is 2 cross 2 and order of the second matrix is 2 cross 1. By the definition of product of matrices or a multiplication of matrices, we see that there are 2 columns and in a second matrix there are 2 rows. 2 columns and 2 rows are same. That's why these 2 matrices are possible for multiplication. Therefore, we write possible. That is, the product is possible. That is, the multiplication of these 2 matrices are possible. Now, in second part, we see that there are 1, 1, 0, 1 and other matrix is 2, negative 1, 1, 3. Here, order of the first matrix is 2 cross 2. Order of the second matrix is also 2 cross 2. That is, there are 2 columns in the first matrix and 2 rows in the second matrix. 2 columns in the first matrix, 2 rows in the second matrix. Therefore, these 2 matrices are possible for the product or multiplication. Similarly, we see in the third part is 1, negative 1 and 0, 1, negative 1, 2. In the third part, we see that there are 2 rows, 1 column. There are 2 rows, 2 column. In the third question, the third part, we see that there are only 1 column in the first matrix and 2 rows in the second matrix. That is, column of the first matrix is not equal to rows of the second matrix. Therefore, the product of such matrix are not possible. The product is not possible. In the third example, we see that the product is not possible because the column of the first matrix is not equal to rows of the second matrix. Similarly, you see the part number 4 and part number 5 and write them by yourself. Okay. Now, we come across the next question, question number 2. Question number 2 is if A is equal to 3, 0, negative 1, 2 and B is equal to 6, 5. Find the first part is A, B and the second one part is B, A. There is a condition if possible. That is, if these matrices are multiplied, then multiply these matrices, otherwise not. The solution is first of all, we multiply matrix A with matrix B, which is equal to matrix A is 3, 0, negative 1, 2. Matrix B is 6 and 5. Here, the order of the matrix A is 2 cross 2. Order of matrix B is 2 cross 1. That is, there are 2 columns in the first matrix and there are 2 rows in the second matrix. That rows and columns are same. Therefore, these matrices are conformable for multiplication. Now we multiply these matrix. How we multiply the matrix? We multiply these matrix. First of all, we multiply first row with the first column. That is this 3 is multiplied with 6 and 0 is multiplied with other number which is 5. That is 3 is multiplied 3 is multiplied with 6. There is addition sign in between them, and 0 is multiplied with 5. Similarly, negative 1 is multiplied with 6. 2 is multiplied with 5. After simplification, we get 18 plus 0, negative 6 plus 10. Moreover, it becomes 18 and 4. That is, the product of matrix A and B is 18 and 4. The first answer, first part. Now, we see the second part, which is B and A. What is B? What is B, which is 6 and 5? And what is the matrix A, which is 3, 0, negative 1, 2? Here we see that the order of the matrix B is 2 cross 1 and order of matrix A is 2 cross 2. By the definition of the product of the matrices, the column of the first matrix, which is 1, is not equal to the rows of the second matrix. Column of first matrix is 1, rows of second matrix is 2. Therefore, the columns and rows are not same. The product is not possible. Here we write column of first matrix is not equal to rows of second matrix. Therefore, product or multiplication is not possible. Product or multiplication is not possible. Now similarly, you can solve the question number 3 by yourself. It's a homework for you. And also question number 4. If is there any problem, raise your hand. Here we revise all the content of exercise 1.4, or raise your hand if anyone have any problem about any question or a product of a matrices.
If you have any problem, you can research for tomorrow. If you face any problem, you can ask one by one.
Sir, exercise 1.4 is easy.
हेलो सर सर ये क्वेश्चन 3 और क्वेश्चन 4 कहाँ पर सबमिट कराने हैं सर?
So you may do it by yourself in your home. You face any problem.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.